Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I have a specific question for you. Imagine you have a customer and the customer asks you to call them back on their number that starts with 0934. So my question is right away, do you know which telecom provider that is? And if you don't, no worries, with CouponBet, you can find the answer in a matter of seconds. So first of all, what you have to do is just log in on CouponBet, and once you're logged in, you're on the dashboard. You have to click here on the tools. And once you click on the tools, you will see every tool available on CouponBet for your travel agency. And we need the prefix checker, so we need to scroll down to the bottom. And here right now we can see here the provider prefix checker, where we can find the prefix that match with the number we got. Alright, so what is the number? 0934. And there you are. So you can see that this is a Sun Cellular network provider. So now you know exactly with which phone you need to call your customer. CouponBet is really designed to help you and your travel agency to be more organized. And this makes CouponBet very useful for your travel agency, and if you like this and you want this as well, just go to couponbet.com and register for an account right away.